Today on Unpacked, we are going to try not to get too carried away. All right, today on Unpacked, we are going to be looking at a mystery pack here that I think has come from around the world. Actually made from Australia. This is made from Australia. It's made in and shipped from Australia. I might throw another shrimp on the barbie. We are looking at Fressko reusable cups. Their philosophy is be kind to Mother Earth, to others, and to yourself. Your coffee pack comes gift ready in a premium gift box that becomes a coffee carry tray once finished being a gift box. There's perforated cutouts. Well, that's just instructions. Last resort. Right? Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. All right, let's see what this looks like here. Thanks for sending this all the way from Australia. Here it is. Simple, stylish, and sustainable are the words right here. Made by Fressko.com. I have no idea what this is or what it looks like. It's a nice little rigid paperboard box though. Ooh, I see what's going on here. All right. Our philosophy is simple: be kind to Mother Earth, to others, and to yourself. Don't throw me away. You can repurpose the top of this box as a takeaway coffee tray. Simply follow the below. Remove the contents of your gift box and take hold of the bottom face of the box where the perforated circles are located. This is, anticipation's killing me. I can't read it while it's upside down. If you have selected the Camino coffee cup, push down on the larger perforated circles to remove them. If you have selected the Beano coffee cup, push down the two smaller perforated circles to remove them. Put your brand new Fressko coffee cups in the holes, and voila. I've created this incredibly elaborate, non-recyclable box with magnets. And I've put perforated cup holders on the bottom of it. Am I to bring this to the cafe with me? I've done it. And now I can't use this to store anything. And I have to carry it with me everywhere I go for the one cup that I've bought. I don't even know what to do with this. I'm so confused. It's reusable packaging. Ish. Oh my gosh. Sometimes in life there are things that you can do, but you probably just shouldn't. I don't even understand. Let's move past the whole like point of this. We're gonna have to set that aside and just look at the rest of this. It looks like they've got responsibly made in China, designed in Melbourne, Australia. Designed meaning graphics. It's a pretty stock tube, it looks like. Sustainable, simple, stylish. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure if they know what that means. Inside this box, you find coffee that's sourced with... We're gonna do one more try. Last try is these pod boxes. Biodegradable and compostable. Well, let's see. Here's to feeling good all the time. Compostable pouch made from plant material. I'm guessing that they've used some type of like a PLA or something that is that is plant-based and industrial compostable. I don't know. They look like they're covered in foil. I gotta open it. I gotta know. Oh my gosh. Yeah, they're totally covered in foil. Oh my gosh. I just think maybe they don't know. And I can't be too hard on them for not knowing. That's why we create this content, is to teach and to educate. But I don't know. You tell me in the comments if you think this is a good idea, and maybe I'm just being too hard on them. I try to be nice on this channel and really highlight what people are doing well and maybe opportunities for improvement, but you got to help me out. What do you think about this? Would you carry this with you to hold your insulated cup? Your double wall insulated cup. Or 2 if you bought a 2-pack. I don't even know where to go. I gotta end this one, but I want to hear your comments. Please tell me if I'm being a turd or if this doesn't make sense. Guys, thanks for watching Unpacked. I'm sorry.